Good day. Now I will present to you our lesson plan in English in the teaching of reading. So our target learner today is grade 8 students. So first, our learning competency is to explain visual verbal relationships illustrated in tables, graphs, and information maps found in expository text. So here are our objectives. So these objectives will serve as our guide of what the student should be learning at the end of our lesson. So our first objective is to understand the usage of graphic organizer by classifying ideas and identifying key points through brainstorming web. This first objective will be hit in our activity part. The second objective is to demonstrate the value of graphic organizers by connecting the relationship between concepts by making a sequence chart. This second objective will be hit in our application part. And the last one is to create a graphic organizer using raw data information, and this will be hit in our application part. So we make sure that our objective is marked. This is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Now, we will present to you our subject matter. So our topic is all about graphic organizer, and this concept is this one, and the values is to appreciate the importance of using graphic organizers when presenting information, and our reference is from Corpus and Lucido. And our materials are pen, marker, and manila paper. Let's go to the assessment part. So this will be a group work, and the students are instructed to go to the same group they belong earlier, and in a manila paper provided, they will be going to create a graphic organizer by using the text presented here. It is all about the relations between rocks and humans. So the students are going to show the similarities and differences of humans and rocks by using a Venn diagram. Now let's proceed to the discussion about what techniques, method, and approach used in our lesson plan. So in our techniques, we use brainstorming. So the lesson promotes cooperative learning among the students. So we can observe in the assessment part that the students work in a group. They collect ideas from each other, and each student takes part. Next is the approach used. It is learner-centered. As we can observe in the application, they are going to create graphic organizer, and they were going to apply what they learned from the discussion. So by that, they learn by doing. So the method used is deductive method. So in the abstraction part, which is being explained earlier, that the students were taught about how of making graphic organizer than what. So first, the teacher introduced the types of graphic organizer and how does it vary from each other. So next, the teacher set some examples to widen the understanding of the students, and she let them practice what they learned through activities. So here, the step-by-step procedure of putting information in the graphic organizer is shown to ensure that the procedure is well understood. So before we end our discussion I'm going to present to you our criteria or the rubric in the application part. So this rubric serves as a proof that our lesson plan is measurable.